whether it is coaching or even for leaders who are dealing with people, we all thrive for being in the moment. And often it's said that life is in the moment, not in the past and not in the future. It also means that most of our performance, or rather peak performance, is in the moment. It's not in the past or future. So the biggest benefit is probably how to kind of anchor ourselves in the moment and let go of past and also let go of future. I think that's the biggest benefit. So you need not be only a coach to really get benefited from this course. You can be anyone who is seeking peak performance. I think one, being in the moment so that you can be psychologically available for people. And it's also important that how is that your responses are mindful, and not being in the flow. Sometimes being in the flow is absolutely opposite to being mindful. And second thing is learning the small tricks and trade of how to be in the moment. The third thing I believe is anchoring yourself more to the present and being absolutely mindful of yourself and things surrounding you. I think that's the biggest benefit I can see from the course. See, in the area of coaching, we speak a lot about generative listening. We speak about giving unconditional positive regard to our client. We also speak about maintaining presence. We also speak about evoking awareness. Now, these are the core competencies that are linked to coach's ability to be in the moment. I think that's the impact. So the key areas is somebody can actually improve their listening by attending this course. So in general, it also helps in even managing relationships. So two people talking to each other, when the listening is enhanced, when it is at the heightened, the rapport, trust that you build with anybody is great. It can also help you in making decisions. Sometimes, because you're in the flow, not in the moment, you are too pulled by the past and stressed by the future. You're not in the moment, so you probably don't take the decision that you really want to take. And in retrospective, you would always say, maybe I should have done this, maybe I should have done that. Somebody in sports, looking at their own video of how they perform, they would always say that maybe I should have swung the racket like this, or maybe I should have kicked the ball like that. It's all retrospective, but being in the moment actually enhances your performance. I think preparation for the course, I don't think there is any specific preparation, but the fact is becoming aware of their own self, exercising mindfulness in whatever they're doing. Maybe if you're having breakfast, just be mindful of how you chew, how you decide to pick up that one more paratha or idli. How do you when you're taking coffee, how do you decide the quantity? Do you take the full cup, half cup, 3/4 of the cup? How are you even deciding what is the quantity? So I think small little mindfulness of what you're doing every day, so that it can be a good reflection point when we start the course.